and we really need to go to get those back down. Those are really overgrown. Okay, we have those two cherry trees. So those cherry trees we need to way cut back. So we do like 2 years ago, and it helps a lot for the grass. So now we need to do that again. So we need to cut from the top all the way down. So all the way around, so they can they get less less shade for the grass. And same thing with those green trees. So we need to clip those back, those branches that are really overgrown. Okay, so pretty much that's it. And this tree, this oak tree, we can cut those branches back up to 35 feet. Like here, like 2 feet. No, I was gonna say 3 feet. You just only just this side and just a little bit that side too, so they can get more sunlight in here, and the trees don't get really big, so we can go up to 35 feet. Okay, and that'd be great.